You can have multiple Shopify stores under the same account, but each store requires a separate subscription plan. Shopify allows merchants to create and manage multiple stores from a single Shopify account, providing flexibility for businesses with different product lines, target markets, or branding strategies. Here's how it works. Separate stores. Each Shopify store operates independently with its own storefront, products, customers, and settings. This means you can customize each store's design, products, pricing, and marketing strategies according to its specific needs. Manage from one account. Despite having multiple stores, you can manage them all from a single Shopify admin dashboard. This centralized management simplifies tasks such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and analytics tracking. Subscription plans. Each Shopify store requires its own subscription plan, with pricing based on the selected plan's features and capabilities. However, you can use the same email address and billing information for multiple stores under the same account. Additional costs. Keep in mind that having multiple stores may result in additional subscription costs, so consider your business needs and budget before creating additional stores.